Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's tutorial gonna be on how I do polygel extension nails. This is actually was first time I have ever tried it, and I also bought it from Amazon. If you like to see how I do them, just keep on watching. I purchased my kit on Cyber Monday, so I paid about $37, I believe so, and as of today I checked the price and it's about $43, and I think it's still amazing price for everything what you get inside. You get UV LED light, has 3 settings, 30, 60 and 120 second. Poly extension gels are included inside light pink, white and clear. Comes with base gel, top gel, matte gel, nail straightening gel, and the slip solution. The accessories include this gold and silver foil, and then glitters. Has 6 glitters in total. The colors are stunning. Flame decals and stripping tape that I forgot to include inside. Rhinestones and these cute butterflies. Nail forms, dual forms, it has 2 different shapes. Tweezer, and your dual brush and spatula tool, nail filer that I already used, and your application guide. It's very important to start with a clean, oil-free nails. I like to first push my cuticles, and then with the lighter side of the nail filer, I like to a little bit buff around my nail bit close to my cuticle, and then buff my entire nail, and to make sure it's nice and clean. And then with the lint-free cloth, I remove all the dust. I'm gonna apply a thin layer of a base gel all over my nails. You have to make sure that you cover your entire nail, and you have to make sure that the base gel is nice and thin. Before you cure it, make sure you clean your cuticles. And now we're gonna cure for 60 seconds. And what I like about this light is you can put your entire hand inside. It comes with 2 different forms. One is flatter, one is curvier. I like the flatter one, so this is what I'm gonna be using. And you have to make sure that you measure the correct size for your nails. I will be using the white gel to extend my nails. And you take a little pea size, maybe a little bit more than a pea size gel, and you pour it inside your form. And now to form it, we need to use this slip solution. I'm gonna put a little drop into my little tiny container here, and I'm gonna take the brush of that tool. I'm gonna dip it inside just a little bit. A little bit does go a long way, and I'm gonna start forming it. So this was my first time doing these nails, and I have to tell you that I was a little bit on a struggle bus with my right hand. So I first practiced in my right hand, and then I decided to film my left hand, so I kind of got a hang of it a little bit, I feel. So the way I form is I pull down the product towards the tip. I made sure that towards the cuticle area it's very thin and it's not going to be too chunky when you're going to lift it off. Also, very important step, when you put the tip over your natural nail, you have to make sure that you pull very lightly. Do not press, otherwise you're gonna have a lot of stuff coming out from all the sides. And if you do have anything coming out, just wipe it with your brush, just how I did before. And then we're gonna cure it for 60 seconds on the top and 30 seconds from the bottom. I think this was my favorite part, is to lift them off, because oh my god, when you reveal what it looks like, I was just like blown away how smooth and perfect and shiny it is. And we're gonna repeat all the steps on every single nail. This is so satisfying when you lift them off. I can't get enough of it. And now you're gonna shape them to your liking. I left mine kind of like a coffin shape a little bit, and it was very easy to file them. So this step is not really necessary, but I did apply this nail straightener, the hardener, as my first step before the gel top. I just want to make sure that they stay nice and strong. And then you cure it for 60 seconds. And then the last step is to apply your top gel, and I applied on all my nails. Nice thin layer. And I'm gonna cure it for 60 seconds. And to finish my manicure, I just applied some cuticle oil around my cuticles. And this concludes my tutorial. I really like how they turned out. If you guys liked it, please give me a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click notification bell to get notified when I post my tutorials. Everything will be listed down below for you guys to easily find. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.